Good morning, guys. Welcome and welcome back to another video. I really hope you guys are all doing well. So today is my second day here in Nyungwe National Park. So yesterday I have done canopy walk. So today I have to do another activity. Yeah. So you have to keep watching. So we are here. We are waiting for us to drop us in Kisakula, where we are going to do what? Waterfall. Yeah. So we are waiting for the bus, but I don't know if you are going to do it early because I see the bus. It's a problem. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. So I'm enjoying the monkey. Yeah, they were here, but I will show you in the clip. You will see it in the clip. Yeah, I was enjoying looking at them. So now they have run away. Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, I'm enjoying. Woo. Guys, the weather from here, it is getting too dark. I think it's about to rain. You know, the weather from here in the park can change at any time, but yesterday we thank God because it was absolutely amazing, super weather. Yesterday there were no rain, but today I think it's gonna rain. Yeah, but it's okay. You see how the cloudy are? Yeah, yeah. So yeah, guys, finally we are at the reception. So here it is. This is the second reception. I think all the people knows the first reception, which is Uinga. So this is the second one, which is known for waterfall and other activities. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And here, this is at the reception. Yeah. So my guide, she's here. So today I'm with him. Okay. So we are now leaving. We are going to use about 4 hours to and 2 hours back. Come back. Yeah. Hopefully I will enjoy this activity, guys. Yeah. So here we have first to pick the walking stick. Where is mine? Mine is here. So here, this is how it looks like. I like how it is surrounded by tea plantation, guys. And this reception is located Sakura. It's like 2 or 3 minutes out of the Nyungwe National Park. So this is the starting point of Kisakula. Yeah, so look how it looks like. Wow. So now we are going to pass here in this shortcut. Oh, yeah. Wow. So now, guys, look at these mountain monkeys. What? They are giving us welcome.
That one is male.
Oh, how do you know that is male?
About their blue pesticles.
Oh yeah, I saw them when I was there.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, look at this view. What? Now guys, we are done taking like 1,000 pictures. Now we are starting this trail. But this looks fun. Wow. Wow, look at it. Guys, now the journey is so sweet, guys. You have to follow me. You have to watch it until the end, guys. Wow, but here is too slippery. Oh, I have to be careful. Ooh. Guys, have you been here? You should definitely come and visit this place. You see how it is beautiful. My God, I'm enjoying it. Guys, this is what. Look at this. What? I feel like I'm not in Rwanda, guys. Look at this tree. Oh, my God, this is beautiful, guys. What?
This one, it is called makaranga kimanjarika.
Yes.
Yeah, it is used as a tools for making furnitures.
Oh.
Also, you can use it for collecting, making a charcoals.
Oh,
Also,
really?
Also, wood for firing.
Really?
Yeah.
But I see that it's too
Also,
small.
Yeah, this one can grow up to
Oh, so
50
means this
meters.
one is still baby.
Yes.
Okay, you show me the big one of it
Yeah.
because I can't breathe that
Also,
tree.
it can be a traditional medicine.
Oh, for
Yeah, for treating some diseases like cancers. You can take leaves and you make a sap and you drink that juice.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you can boil those
Yes,
leaves
of course.
and you drink the juice from them.
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's
Yeah.
good.
I will show you the big one. This is still
They're
younger.
still young.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. So yeah, guys, here there is a chair. So when you get tired, you can come and sit here, relax, enjoying these views of the tea.
You see that trees,
Yeah.
that long ones with small leaves, is that I show you, when you are in starting point.
Yeah.
I show you that makaranga kimanjarika. In Rwanda it's called umusekera.
Museke.
That one is grown up. As I told you, it can grow up to 15 meters.
Oh,
Yeah.
15 meter.
Yeah, you can make beehives from theirs, and also you can make traditional drums.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know them. Yeah, you can plant them on the
Yes.
top.
Even timbers, but in the park it is not allowed.
And yeah,
If
in
you
the
want to use it, you can go to the
other
nursery
place.
to take the small plant for growing up to your agriculture.
This is the park. We have to consult
Yes.
our nature, guys.
Yes.
So here it's just they show you, and when you go out of the park, so you can know that is the tree they have explained to me and the use of that. Yeah. So this is amazing, guys. I'm enjoying this tour. Guys, I have to close the cap because it's too hot. Yeah. Oh yeah.
In Rwanda it's called umwofe or ichwofe. It is eaten by monkeys or other primates.
Yeah.
Also, it is edible for human beings. This one.
Wow.
On a common name, it's called a yellow belly.
Yellow bane.
Yes. This one it could become a yellow when it is iris.
Oh wow.
Can I tell you something about?
Sure.
Yeah. Can I start?
Yes.
This one it is mushrooms.
Yes.
But mushrooms have different species.
Yeah.
Some of them are edibles. Others are toxic.
Yeah.
But how you know that is toxic? How it
Toxic.
is a mushroom? What can you do?
I think you can see by the color, because like this, you see, it has these like red.
You think this brown color is toxic?
Yeah.
No? is not how you check it.
Yeah.
But traditionally, you can use a millipede. Do you know millipede?
No,
Njonjororwa.
I don't know it.
Njonjororwa magoro igihumbi.
For sure, I
It
don't
is
know.
like reptiles.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have many legs. It go with using like their bellies.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the ground. Then when you want to know that it is edible, you
Yeah.
can take that millipede, you put near to the mushrooms.
Yeah.
When that millipede
Yeah.
are eaten by them, you know that is edible. But when it refuse and go back, you know that is toxic.
Oh.
Then it is not better to touch on it. Yeah, because you don't know
how it's gonna
yeah.
be. Maybe it is toxic.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Thank you. Guys, look how it is too old. Oh my god. Look at it. It's like soil. Wow. This is the nature forest, guys. Guys, now now I'm so tired. I took a short break, guys. Yeah, but this is fun. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, with my guide and we are having good time, guys. I'm telling you. Wow, this is perfect. Wow. Look where I'm sitting. What? Look how it's beautiful. I'm surrounded with this nature. Wow. So yeah, guys, I forget to tell you the waterfall we are going to visit. We are going to visit the second waterfall, which is found here in Nyungwe National Park. It's called Ndambara. I think most of the people know Kamiranzovu, which is located in this national park. So I decided to visit this Ndambara because they told me it's beautiful and yeah, you enjoy. I hopefully I will have good time from there, guys. Yeah, the nature of my god, so beautiful. Enjoying it. What? Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. I think the camera is not doing justice. I mean for me, just to show how this place is so beautiful. Yeah, so visit Rwanda, guys. Yeah. Guys, I was missing to hear this sound of the nature. Yeah. Guys, can you hear something? I have started to hear the sound of the waterfall. Can you hear it? I cannot wait to reach there. Wow. Hear the sound.
As I told you, to look the colors of the mushroom, it is not how we know that is edible. You see that this is the undercover, it is a white, but that one we found, it is a brown.
Yeah.
But you can't see the colors, and you say that is edible. Yeah. How I told you is to test by using a millipede.
Yeah, fine. So this is one that we used to eat.
Yeah.
And I love the mushrooms, guys. I wish I
Yes.
can pick this and I go to make soup of it.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the toughest. I'm telling you, I'm wondering how I will hike up here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look how. Oh, here I see there is downstairs. There is stairs here, which also help me. Yeah. Yeah. What's this? Oh wow! This is my first time I saw this kind of mushrooms. So
There are several species.
of the mushrooms. Wow. Guys, have you seen this? So for me, this is my first time. So is it eatable?
I don't know. You can check, as I told you. I can't see it, then I know. No.
Yeah.
You see that this is like imegeri as you saw.
Yeah, I know.
To look like, but it is so different
from the others we know.
Don't touch on it.
Oh, so I touched on it. Oh my God.
Wash your hands.
Yeah. Guys, I'm going to wash my hands because I touched on that mushrooms. So maybe it can be toxic. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Guys, I think the tips from here, you just learn because you cannot go slowly like this. You just run. Who run the wall, girls? Who run the wall, girls? Who run the girls? Who run this for the... Guys, look at here. Today I think this is also a nice day because the weather is too... Guys, what? Look at the waterfall, my God. I can't wait to live there. What? Guys, what? I finally lived here. Oh my God. Guys, I quickly changed for pictures. This is my outfit, my white bikini. Yeah, look at the view. I'm sitting here on this stone for pictures. Yeah, look at this waterfall. Guys, now we are done. Waterfall. We took like 2,000 pictures, guys. Can you imagine? Now I have any work to choose which is the best one among those 2,000 pictures. So here I say goodbye, waterfall. See you soon as possible, guys. Now we are going to hike. I think this is the hardest part of this trip. Wow, look at the views. Guys, this is the hardest. This is the hardest part of this tour, guys. You can see to go down is easy, but to go up is tough. It's very tough. My guide, she's here, so she told me you are the one who's going to front. because I told her that I'm going to use few minutes to hike up. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm telling you, I'm so tired. But the hardest part of here, I've already done. Wow, look at the sun. Wow. Guys, we took a short break for eating. I came with a banana, guys. Going to eat it, but here is my banana. Dusangire. No, dusangire. Fata manya. Okay. Guys, let me know, what do you usually eat when you are hiking? Like me, I like to eat banana. So what about you guys? Let me know. Guys, here I have my yogurt. This is the strawberry. I really love the strawberry, guys. Guys, look at this small bridge. Wow, looks fun. Guys, we finally made it to the peak. Look how it is beautiful. Guys, now we are crossing into tea plantation. Look how it is. Look how it is. I'm surrounded tea plantation. Oh wow! Look at it. Guys, look how huge is this tea plantation. My God, look how huge it is. Guys, we finally made it. Phew. We are back, guys. This was fun. Hello, we finally made it. Woo! Thank you.
You there?
Yeah, where is my charge first?
How was the hike?
Guys, home sweet home. I finally made it to Kitawe Eco Center. Here it is. Ooh. Guys, you can't understand how I'm so tired. You see, lemon water, because I just don't know how I'm feeling like. I don't know how to open this. Now I'm going to start drinking this water, then soon I will decide what I will order. Yeah, I'm so tired, guys. It was long day. Even guys, this is my dinner. This is the soup of Gina nuts and the ugali here. Guys, I'm so tired. Anyway, don't laugh at me because I eat ugali with fork. My God.